wasn't just moving people from one place to another, but I felt like a dad that was rescuing my daughters, and that was very, very impactful.
That emotional moment from Lieutenant Ian Hopper of the U.S. Coast Guard, who helped pull stranded families' safety during the 4th of July floods. Hopper says one rescue hit especially close to home, saving 2 young girls that reminded him of his own children, both under 5 years old. This comes as tonight hundreds gather at a memorial in Kerrville for a vigil honoring the victims. It's been 1 week since that devastating flood along the Guadalupe River. Kerr County officials now confirm 103 deaths there, 67 adults and 36 children, and more than 160 still unaccounted for. Also today, President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump met with rescue workers, survivors, and family members who lost loved ones in Kerrville. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brennan Gurley. CBS News correspondent Jason Allen reports from the latest in Kerrville.
We just visited with incredible families that, look, they've been devastated. They lost their child or 2 children.
Today, Governor Greg Abbott visited a memorial for the victims. He told us Texas lawmakers will meet soon to discuss plans for a local disaster warning system.
We are going to put together in a session beginning in 10 days the abilities to ensure better preparation, better alerts, so that people will not be surprised like they were this time.
More than 120 people are dead. 169 are still missing. 20 miles downriver, the meticulous search for victims continues. We drove east along the Guadalupe River, finding search teams around every bend. We stopped here because we want to show you this group. They're down in the Guadalupe. We've watched them float down the river, and they're stopping at every single spot. They're checking every debris pile just in case somebody is in there. The team in the water came from Colorado. FEMA teams walked the shoreline alongside them. Private construction companies followed, only moving in when each section was searched.
You know, I've been on mass casualty situations before, but nothing of this scale.
Patrick Turk is a retired Texas homicide detective. His team has been here since the 4th of July. The painstaking work of sorting debris is physically tiring, but Turk says the mental toll has been even heavier because of what they're looking for.
The mental toll is real because not only is it a difficult task to see somebody that maybe is deceased or somebody who's struggling physically, but it's just with our searchers, it's the day-to-day grind of doing it every day.
More than 2,100 people are part of the search operation, and mental health resources have been sent out into the field to help them as they work. Throughout the Hill Country, Texans are showing up for their neighbors. We found this group set up on a highway east of Kerrville, a collection of church members and volunteers stopping traffic, handing out food, water, and hope. Mental health professionals have been going out into the field to talk to some of the crews who are out here working, meet them where they are, just make sure they're okay during some of this difficult work. The governor also announced the creation of a crisis hotline today that anyone can call into. Jason Allen, CBS News in Kerrville, Texas.